eXp Realty has a referral division like no other. With eXp's unique setup, agents can choose a real estate career focused solely on providing referrals to other agents, skipping the traditional hustle of closing deals themselves. The best part? The process can take just seconds, and referral agents save tons by avoiding mandatory agent expenses that full-service agents must cover. How does eXp make this happen? Once again, eXp Realty is using its size and paying attention to its goal of being the most agent-centric brokerage on the planet. It's no surprise since eXp is the only profitable publicly traded brokerage in the last 5 years. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about eXp Realty's referral division and why it's a game changer for agents. So let's get to it. A real estate agent referral is when an agent connects a potential home buyer or seller with another agent to take over the transaction. The referring agent then negotiates a commission with the agent they referred the client to, and once the deal closes, they get paid. Easy, right? If you want more information about growing your business as a referral agent, check out our video titled Referral Agent, Your Ultimate Guide to Easy Referring Success. With eXp Realty, agents have a major leg up thanks to the brokerage's size and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're working with the US or internationally, eXp's platform makes it incredibly easy to send referral business across all 50 states and its 24 countries. While eXp agents are free to send referrals to non-eXp agents, the chances are high you'll find the perfect match within eXp's 86,000 plus agents. And with eXp's online agent directory, locating top talent is a breeze. What really sets eXp apart is its seamless tech-powered referral process. The company has built an exclusive online portal designed to make providing and managing referrals super easy. Let's break it down. Log into eXp's referral website and start a new referral. Enter your client's info. Search eXp's agent directory. Reach out to an agent to see if they're a fit for your client and negotiate your referral commission. Complete your referral commission agreement. Autofill the selected agent and hit submit. Easy peasy. Once you submit the referral, eXp takes it from there. They handle gathering signatures for you, the other agent, and both brokers, and they track the deal until it closes, ensuring you get paid. The platform keeps things smooth and hassle-free while sending you updates at every key steps, so you're never left in the dark. With this fast and efficient system, managing referrals has never been easier, and you always stay in control. While all eXp agents enjoy the fast and easy referral business, eXp Realty's referral division is specifically designed for agents who want to focus solely on referrals. And for those agents, eXp has created a way to drastically lower the typical costs associated with being a real estate agent. How? By making referral-only agents part of eXp Commercial. This setup means referral agents don't need to pay hefty MLS or Realtor Association fees. Those can add up fast. It's a massive cost saver for agents who just want to pass clients along to other agents and not get involved in the actual deal. On top of that, eXp has sweetened the deal with a reduced monthly fee for referral-only agents, cutting monthly fees more than 40%. So not only do you avoid MLS and association fees, but you're also getting an even lower monthly expense. The eXp referral division is perfect for agents who want to keep their active real estate license without the grind of day-to-day activities. Instead of juggling listings, open houses, or closing complicated deals, you can focus on generating referral leads. Refer potential clients to other agents, sit back, and earn a fee or percentage of the commission when the deals close. It's as easy as that. Let's explore which agents will benefit the most from this division. For agents looking to stay involved in real estate without the pressure of full-time selling, the eXp referral division is a game changer. Whether you're juggling family commitments, exploring other career paths, or simply not ready for the demands of active real estate, this division offers a fantastic middle ground. You can still make money without sacrificing your lifestyle or time. This setup provides the kind of flexibility that traditional real estate roles often lack, allowing you to stay in the game without the full-time commitment. Not every agent wants or needs to be in real estate full-time. If you find yourself doing fewer deals and questioning whether it's worth paying for an active license, the referral division could be the answer. By eliminating fees like Realtor Association dues, super fees, and others, you get to keep your license and earn commissions by handing off leads to active agents, making real estate work for you on your terms. For agents nearing retirement or those stepping back from an active role, the referral division offers the perfect solution. You can still leverage your years of experience by referring clients to other agents. This lets you remain connected to the real estate world and generate income, all without the stress of full-time work. It's a smooth transition into retirement while maintaining your professional network and expertise. Now, let's talk numbers. The eXp referral division keeps things straightforward and affordable. For just $50 a month, you gain access to eXp World, Workplace, and all the tools you'll need, including SkySlope, MyEXP, eXp University, and a global network of professionals. It's a small price to pay for staying connected and generating referral income. Now let's break down the splits. When you refer a client to an eXp agent, you get a 75-25 split, meaning you keep 75% of the referral fee and eXp takes 25%. If you refer a client to a non-eXp agent, you get a 70-30 split, meaning you pocket 70% while eXp gets 30%. So whether you're keeping it in the eXp family or referring outside, the division has you covered with a fair, predictable split. Ready to make the shift? Your first step is to contact your state broker team. They'll guide you through the process and help you with timing. You'll sign a new independent contractor agreement, but don't worry, you'll keep the same sponsors, so no need to start over from scratch. For ideas on how to grow your referral business, watch our video. There's a link to that video in the description below. Before you switch from Realty to the referral division, here's what to expect. You'll lose access to realtor forms and MLS services, but you'll get a shiny new email address, yourname@expreferral.com, and updated marketing materials reflecting your status with eXp Referral, brokered by eXp Commercial. One small caveat, referral agents won't have access to Regus office spaces anymore, so while you'll be saving big on expenses, make sure you're ready for the trade-offs. The eXp Realty referring division offers a unique opportunity for agents to maintain their active license and earn income without the demands of traditional real estate. By referring clients to other agents, you can still earn a commission percentage plus revenue share and stock, all while avoiding typical agent expenses. Whether you're transferring to retirement or simply seeking more flexibility, eXp's referral division provides the perfect blend of freedom and opportunity. It's a smart way to stay connected to the industry, grow your network, and keep earning without the full-time commitment.